Hello everybody. It's Stephanie with Coco and Allie Boutique Crafting Page. So y'all, we're gonna do a really cute centerpiece, patriotic centerpiece, using all Dollar Tree stuff. All Dollar Tree items, and they've got all their patriotic stuff out right now, so y'all need to make sure you go and get it. So we're using this, you know, the balloon weights, that's what this came off of. I just used my wire cutters to cut that off of it. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by poking a hole in the top of this hat. I'm going to try to without crushing it. So I just poked a hole in there, and I'm going to stick my scissors in there and cut a hole, a bigger hole, in the top of the hat. And don't worry about your hole being perfect or any of that, because it's going to be covered up. So see, I just have a hole. And now I'm going to take this and glue it inside there. Glue around the edges to stick this just like that. And I'm going to stick this up in there. I'll see that. I just cut a hole in the top of the hat and then stuck a piece of floral foam on the inside of the hat where the hole is. I'm going to take some of my florals and go ahead and start cutting them. And I'm just going to cut these. I'm just going to stick my little thing from the weight down in here, and then I'm going to build everything around it. I'm going to do some of these flags. And you just arrange it however you want it. So I've got those. And then I've got these little USA foam wands. I'm going to put a couple of those in it. USA, USA. And I'm going to try to make this where it's cute from all sides. So, I'm going to mirror it. You know, whatever I do to one side, I'm going to do to the other. So that's what we have so far. Y'all, this is so simple. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take these red, white, and blue flowers and just start sticking them in. Just stick them in wherever. I'm not a florist, so I just do what I think looks good. Just do what you think looks good. That's what I do. Alright, so you see, that's what we have so far with the little flowers. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to I have these little daisies that are red, white, and blue. And I'm going to fill the bottom with those. And I am going to leave them on the stem just a little bit, not a lot. I'm not going to do a long stem. So then take your little daisies and just stick them in to fill out the bottom. And I'm just doing like a red and white one and then a blue one, a red and white one and then a blue one. I'm going to put a band of this blue ribbon, y'all see, around the band. I'm going to use that. So it's not just so much red. So I just put that band around that just to make it look a little, break up the red, I guess you could say. But y'all, I just thought this was a really cute idea for a centerpiece. I have one of these left from where I did the stars. the wooden stars with y'all. And I'm going to cut the stem off of it. Or at least try to. I'm going to turn into She-Ra! Thank you for sprinkling, Ashley. Yeah, Christmas, yeah, Elaine. But I haven't seen any, I mean, that stuff's been gone for months in mine. They haven't put any more out, like, for 4th of July or anything. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this or not, and my husband's not here right now to help me. Let's see. Oh, there we go. I just had to bend it and break it after I did that. All right, so I'm going to put this on here with some glue. Oh, y'all, is that not cute? I've got some of these little berry-looking things. I might put some of those. I'm not sure. And I'm going to put some of this, like I used for the firecrackers. I'm just going to cut it and twirl some of it and stick it in there. So then just take you a pencil or a pen or whatever you have and twirl it around it so it's twirly. So it's like that. I'm going to do all these real quick and then I'll stick them in. All right, y'all, I'm just taking these curly cues and sticking them in here. Y'all, is this not the cutest? Y'all have to give me hearts for this. Let me put it closer so y'all can really see. But is that not adorable? Adorable! Oh yeah, I'm going to put some of these in there too, y'all. And you can use it all summer. From Memorial Day to Flag Day to July 4th to Labor Day. Just leave it on your table all summer. I'm just sticking some of these little berries in here, y'all. All right, y'all. So y'all have got to give me hearts for this and sprinkle this. This is awesome. Is that not the cutest little centerpiece you have ever seen for 4th of July? Or, well, for all the patriotic holidays, really. I love you guys. I hope y'all have a great night. And here's one last look at it. So I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye-bye.